Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can withdraw money from Moonshot. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So Moonshot is simply a platform that facilitates in transaction, but it does not control your digital assets, so you are solely responsible for initiating or completing a transaction through your own wallet. So what you gotta be doing is first thing accessing your Moonshot app and simply signing in. Right after that, you're simply gonna go ahead, navigate to your account, and then you're gonna access the withdrawal feature available right over there amongst the menu. Now go ahead, tap on it. Then you simply have to select the cryptocurrency or digital asset you wish to withdraw. Once you're tapped on it, you have to provide the amount you wish to withdraw, and then once you have tapped on it, simply go ahead, review the details once again, and add in and choose the withdrawal method, review the details once again, and tap on confirm. Now Moonshot will simply initiate the transfer to access your digital assets. You will need to simply provide a wallet to send the funds to your chosen bank account or other destination as you prefer from the options. Simply have to make sure that you have added the correct details whatsoever, and then you will be able to tap on confirm and initiate the transaction for the withdrawal purposes. That's how your withdrawal will be done, and then afterwards you can check out in the home section. Your balance will be different, aka updated, and you can check out the balance upgraded in your bank account as well. That's how it works. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.